Hello, everybody, and welcome to the Dashboard Channel, your North Florida car show connection. This week, we're going to take you out to the Autism Awareness Carnival at an elementary school off of Dunn Avenue in Jacksonville. I really can't remember the name of the school to save my life. I am completely drawing a blank on what the name of the school was. Anyway, this is a good little show. It wasn't huge, but it was medium to small, so, had good quality cars out there. Anyway, this is going to be our Scootervision video where we take a scooter and mount a camera on it and go through the show, get you a quick view of what's out there, and send you on your way. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do enjoy the video, make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you. We're going to keep going out to the car shows as long as we can. We're going to keep going and bringing new shows to you. And I hope you guys enjoy it. That's really all I got. I'm going to send you out to the car show. Let's rev it up to them hot rods.
Hi, Mr. Franklin. Hi, how are you? Hi. Hey, how are you?
Just fine. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Stop, you're awesome, you gave the cherry on the top. There's heaven in my heart, and we could find you some space. I could be the one to you, there's some peace.
One time I was going to do the poster with this one stuff.
Body people, then you'll get funky. Body folks, then you'll get funky. The accumulation, then you'll get funky. Yeah, just get funky. Just get on down and hit me. That partner's getting so funky now, hit me. Yeah, just hit me. Nothing takes your dreams. How about the feet? Shake your body. Love like this. I'm playing that game. I'm feeling free. Do what you want, but play.
I'm doing all right.
Alright guys, we're live again. We're out here at the Autism Awareness Carnival in Jacksonville off of Dunn Avenue. We're at a school. I can't remember what the name of the school is, but anyway, we're going to take you around and show you what cars are here. It's kind of on the small side, but there's still some cool cars here, so let's show you what we got. Got the Avenger 1 Mustang. Check this guy out. Tron. I don't know if it's picking it up very well, but he's even got the light bars on his Durango here. That's cool. Like I said, got some cool cars rolling in. They're still rolling in, even 40 minutes or 30 minutes into the show. So, we're not going to be here much longer. We're going to finish up this live stream. We're going to take pictures and some little video of these cars that come in. And we're going to head out for the day because it is getting hot. Check out the Scooby-Doo K-Van. That's cool, ain't it? Yeah, a little mini chopper. Having to sweep back and forth so you can get all the cars that are out here. Captain America Venom hybrid thing here. The Champ is here. This one here is my favorite though. This awesome looking C10 lowered, laid out, custom pinstriping on the side. I like that. Oh, of course there's Esther the rat rod truck. Have a little moment of appreciation of this Durango here. That thing is cool. He even did the rims and the wheels. Rims and tires, sorry guys. Waiting on these last two to park so I can get them. That's going to wrap up this live stream from the Autism Awareness Carnival in Jacksonville. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Now we got to finish up by taking some pictures. I got to do a 360 of this one.
At least they can't come.
He's already taken 5 shots. You know, he only
Yeah. Were you ready?
Mad at me?
I'm good.
We were just
That forward.
All right, everybody, that's going to wrap up this video from the Autism Awareness Carnival at whatever the name of that school was. I'm sorry, guys, I cannot remember the name of this school for the life of me. I know it was an elementary school, and I know it was on DePaul Drive in Jacksonville, but I really cannot remember the name of it. Tells you how much I was paying attention to the name of the school. I was looking at the cars, and I was paying attention to the people. So, it is what it is. Anyway, this was a good car show. It was on the smaller side. It wasn't huge, but it was medium to small, manageable car show. Had good quality cars out there. So, anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you do enjoy the video, make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you. It's really important that we get all the likes and subscribes. Make sure you're subscribed because we're trying to get to 500. That's our initial goal. We got to get that 500 subscriber goal. We are at 369. We are clawing our way up the numbers. Anyway, So I hope you guys enjoy the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you do enjoy it, make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and share. We're going to keep going out to the car shows as long as we can. We're going to bring you as many car shows as we can. And we'll see you guys out at the car show, wherever, whenever, whatever it may be. See you out there.